What does that spell?
Oh. This Owen.
It says Owen. It means it's for you.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Oh, open it?
Yeah, open it.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Birthday card?
Look, it says, hooray! You're 3. What does it say inside?
Ooh.
Let's see. I'll read it to you.
What is that?
What is that?
That's money for me.
Money for you? How many?
1, 2, 3.
3? Because you're 3 years old?
Yep.
Awesome. Let's read the card. You need help? Almost.
Oh my gosh.
Play-Doh.
Whoa.
You can make all kinds of shapes and stuff.
Yeah. Orange. Yes. Yes. Orange.
Where's Owie? Hey, happy birthday, Owie.
Matilda, can you say happy birthday? Say happy birthday. Owen, can you tell Grandma and Grandpa Sullivan thank you?
Thank you.
Nope, they're gonna be on the camera right
Look
here.
at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
You look confused. I'm gonna show them this movie. And then on the movie you can say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa Sullivan.
No.
Matilda, let Owen open it. He'll show you what's in there.
That's a nice case, too.
Let's get this card. Whoa.
Here,
Looks like there's all kinds of stuff in there.
with our Play-Doh that we have, she says make. So she says make. Whoa, those are big Play-Dohs. Matilda, that's Owen's happy birthday present.
Whoa, look at that thing.
Oh, what is it, Owen?
Cool.
Owen, what is that? At school? And you smush it?
Now we don't have to use our garlic press.
Ooh, those are Play-Doh scissors.
Ooh, cool.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at this.